Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Quiz Islam, the ultimate Islamic quiz channel for kids. How much do you know about Islam? Today's challenge is true or false. We have 40 questions ready for you in 3 exciting phases. Phase 1 is easy. Phase 2 is medium. And Phase 3 is hard. For every question, you have 5 seconds to answer. So get your thinking caps on. Tell your friends and family. Let's find out who knows the most about Islam. Are you ready? Let's go! Question number 1. True or false? Muslims pray 5 times every day. Is that true or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. Question number 2. True or false? Prophet Nuh alayhi salam built a big boat to survive the flood. True or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. Question number 3. True or false? Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was burned by the fire. And the answer is false. Ooh, tricky one. Allah made the fire cool and safe for him. Question number 4. Prophet Yunus alayhi salam lived inside a whale. True. MashaAllah. Question number 5. True or false? Prophet Musa's alayhi salam's stick turned into a lion. False. His stick turned into a snake. True or false? The Kaaba is in Medina. True or false? And the answer is false. The Kaaba is in Mecca. Question number 7. True or false? The Holy Quran has 114 surahs. True or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. Question number 8. True or false? Angel Jibreel alayhi salam brought the Quran to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. True. MashaAllah. Question number 9. True or false? Prophet Isa alayhi salam was born without a father. True or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. Question number 10. The last question of Phase 1. True or false? Prophet Adam alayhi salam was the first human on earth. True. MashaAllah. Phase 1 complete. Phase 2, medium. Welcome to Phase 2. True. MashaAllah. Question number 12. True or false? Prophet Dawood alayhi salam defeated Goliath with a sword. True or false? And the answer is false. Question number 13. True or false? Zakat means fasting in the month of Ramadan. True or false? And the answer is false. Zakat means giving charity to poor people. True or false? Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. True or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. True or false? True. MashaAllah. Prophet Nuh alayhi salam preached for 950 years. True or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. Question number 16. True or false? Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was thrown into a well by his brothers. True or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail alayhim salam built the Kaaba together. True or false? And the answer is true. MashaAllah. True or false? Prophet Idris alayhi salam was raised to a high place by Allah. True. MashaAllah. True or false? Prophet Ayub alayhi salam was tested with sickness for many years. True, mashallah. Quran was first written on paper. True or false? And the answer is false. Oh, tricky. It was first written on bones. True or false? The Quran has 30 parts called juz. True, mashallah. Muslims face Medina when they pray. True or false? And the answer is false. Muslims face the Kaaba in Mecca, not Medina. Remember that. Muslims celebrate 2 Eids every year. True or false? And the answer is true, mashallah. True or false? True, mashallah. True or false? True, mashallah. True or false? Israfil alayhi salam will blow the trumpet on the Day of Judgment. True, mashallah. True or false? 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 The first word of the Quran revealed was Iqra, meaning read. True, mashallah. True or false? Shaitan refused to bow to Prophet Adam alayhi salam. True, mashallah. True or false? Prophet Dawood alayhi salam made iron armor with his own hands. True, mashallah. True or false? Prophet Saleh alayhi salam sent a special camel as a miracle. True, mashallah. True or false? Prophet Hud alayhi salam's people were destroyed by a great wind. True, mashallah. True or false? Prophet Adam alayhi salam was forgiven after leaving paradise. True, mashallah. True or false? Prophet Yahya and Prophet Isa alayhima as-salam were cousins. True, mashallah. True or false? Surah Al-Baqarah is the longest surah in the Quran. True, mashallah. True or false? Surah Al-Ikhlas teaches us that Allah is one. True, mashallah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhim received the first revelation in cave Hira.